Here's the Lamborghini Urus before and after, covered in bug splatter, now back to flawless gloss. I start with a quick rinse to loosen the dirt and pre-wash cleaner residue. Then I'm applying a dedicated insect remover on the hood, windshield, mirrors, and front bumper. Bug splatters are acidic, so it's important to use a specialized product that breaks them down gently instead of scrubbing them aggressively. Once the product has softened the residue, I move in with a soft microfiber mitt. This helps lift contaminants gently. No scrubbing, no swirls. Let the chemistry do the work. Next, I lay down a thick coat of snow foam to add lubrication and encapsulate any leftover debris. Using the microfiber mitt, I go over the hood, bumper, mirrors, and windshield again. And for grills or tight edges, a soft brush ensures a deep, scratch-free clean. After rinsing the front, I apply another layer of foam across the entire car. A quick, full wash keeps the finish consistent and camera ready. Every inch gets a gentle contact wash before the final rinse. Now for the final rinse, you can see that deep shine and clarity come to life. Moving inside, I finish with a light interior clean. Using a soft detailing brush and 2 microfiber towels, one slightly damp with cleaner and one dry, I carefully wipe down the steering wheel, screens, and seats. Since the Urus is brand new, I avoid using heavy products to keep the factory finish and protective coatings intact, and that's how you safely remove bug splatter from a Lamborghini Urus without compromising the paint or protection. Quick, effective, and safe. The right products and gentle techniques make all the difference.